Hi everybody, welcome to Arcadia Rug Spa, and today we are showcasing our latest machine in the battle of getting dirt out of rugs, and it is the tumble duster. Now a tumble duster works really simply, really gently, but so effectively. You basically put the rugs in, you shut the lid, and it turns nice and slowly. You can turn it faster if you want to, and then it stops and turns back the other way. And what this does is it flexes the rug, so it makes the rug flex and roll and bounce and drop and bang, not in a violent way, but just enough to knock out the extra little bits of soil that are buried in the knots in the base of these Persian rugs. And the results are absolutely out of this world. It's how we managed without it, I don't know. We've always done fantastic cleans. We've used beta machines, jet washing, putting the rugs underwater, scrubbing, everything that we did to get as much dirt as possible out of those rugs and make them look fantastic and make them feel fantastic. But this just goes to a whole new level. It's unbelievable that after we've cleaned the rug, beaten it, washed it, dried it, put it in the tumble duster, we still get more dirt out of these rugs. So what an addition to our arsenal. Now I'm going to shut up, I'm going to show you how it works so you can see it working. And what I'll do is I'll do a time lapse so you can see the floor and just how much dirt we get out of a rug that we've already cleaned. Let's do it. So here's a rug we cleaned earlier. Not only have we cleaned this, we've repaired the fringes. Well, Shan has. My wife Shan does all the repairs. So the rug is nice and clean. I'll show you a quick video of us cleaning it. So this rug was fully cleaned underwater, about 2 hours of washing to get it as good as possible. And now we're going to put it in the tumble duster. And then we'll throw it in the tumble duster, like so. Close the lid. And I'll place you down here on the floor, and we'll tumble just for 10 minutes. The floor's nice and clean there. We'll come back in 10 minutes. I'll put you on time lapse, and you can see just how much dirt we get out of a clean rug. Wow. So, as you can see, we have a lot of dirt, and it's all the way through to the back, not just visual at the front. It goes all the way to the back. We'll now get it brushed up. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. So that's our new tumble duster. This is an extreme rug. It's been in a farmhouse, I think, for 30 years, never cleaned. And so yeah, we've just, at every stage of the clean, we've got a phenomenal amount of dirt out. And as you can see, the final stage, we're still getting quite a lot. Phenomenal what you can get out of these rugs. So that's me just demonstrating on the extreme side how this works, but every rug, even the non-extreme rugs, we can still get little bits of dirt, especially the shaggy rugs. You probably notice when you get shaggy rugs back from people cleaning them, carpet cleaners cleaning them, they still smell, they've still got bits in them, you give them a shake and the bits fly everywhere. This prevents that. It gets pretty much 99% of all the dirt out of rugs. Phenomenal piece of kit and a massive machine in our bid to eradicate all the soil out of your rugs. Thanks for watching.